Hello, and welcome back to TNC Voyage. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary adventure as we explore Riyadh Boulevard, one of Saudi Arabia's hidden gems. Get ready to immerse yourself in the heart of Saudi culture, history, and modernity, all in one place. Riyadh Boulevard, located in the heart of the Saudi capital, is a true testament to the kingdom's remarkable transformation. Riyadh Boulevard is a treasure trove of local markets, where you can witness the artistry of Saudi craftsmen and indulge in traditional delicacies. But Riyadh Boulevard isn't just about tradition, it's also a hub for entertainment. The boulevard hosts captivating outdoor performances, cinemas, and gaming zones, making it a hotspot for families and thrill-seekers alike. Now, let's step back in time as we explore the Masmak Fortress, a symbol of Saudi Arabia's rich history. This iconic structure played a pivotal role in the kingdom's formation. From history to modernity, Riyadh Boulevard seamlessly blends the old with the new. Its contemporary architecture, with skyscrapers that seem to touch the sky, will leave you in awe. As the day winds down, it's time to savor the flavors of Saudi cuisine. Riyadh Boulevard offers a delectable array of dining options, from local street food to international fine dining. And what better way to end our adventure than by witnessing a mesmerizing sunset over Riyadh Boulevard? So there you have it, folks. Riyadh Boulevard, a captivating blend of culture, history, and modernity, awaits your visit. Whether you are a history buff, a foodie, or simply looking for a fun day out, this place has it all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss another adventure with us. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which part of Riyadh Boulevard you'd love to explore first. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Riyadh Boulevard. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and keep traveling. Goodbye from TNC Voyage. Before you plan your visit, please check the latest travel advisories and guidelines for Saudi Arabia. Stay safe and enjoy your travels.